Be ready? Let's start. Challenge in this appeal is to the other passed by the division bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court dismissing writ petition filed by the appellant under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, 1950, full stop. Prayer in the writ petition was to quash the award dated 23rd 9 2004, under which the respondent number 1 was directed to be reinstated with continuity of service with 50% back wages within stipulated time, full stop. The award was made by the presiding officer, Patiala, full stop. The matter was before the Labour Court on the basis of a complaint made by the respondent number 1, full stop, para. The brief facts of the case are that respondent number 1 workman was appointed as bulldozer operator with the petitioner management on 1/11/1990, full stop. Since his appointment was on 89 days basis, the same was extended from time to time till 5/7/1996, full stop. Thereafter, his services were not extended, full stop. The workman raised an industrial dispute on the ground that his services were terminated by the management on 15/7/1996 without any notice, charge sheet, inquiry or compensation, and that the juniors to him are still in service of management, and new persons were also appointed by the management after terminating his services, full stop. The government referred the dispute to the Labour Code for adjudication under section 10 in bracket 1 bracket close bracket C bracket close of the Industrial Dispute Act, 1947, and the Labour Court on 23rd 9 2004 made the award, which was challenged before the High Court, para. The stand of the petitioner management is that respondent number 1 workman was engaged the bulldozer operator on 89 days basis, and in that stopgap arrangement, he had worked from 1/11/1990 till 15/7/1996, but intermittently, full stop. He was never employed continuously, therefore, did not work for 240 days in the preceding 12 calendar months, full stop. Thus, denial of further extension of his service does not amount of retrenchment, therefore, has been wrongly awarded reinstatement with back wages, full stop. The Labour Court has not appreciated the fact that since the petitioner department is not an industry, the services of respondent number 1 were not governed by the aforestated act, para. The Labour Court held that section 2 of the act has no application to the facts of the case, full stop. In any event, the workman had completed 240 days of work in several years, full stop. The appellants took the stand that respondent number 1 have not completed 240 days of the work in any calendar year, full stop. He never worked continuously, full stop. The employer was not an industry, full stop. The Labour Court held that there was no compliance with requirement of section 25 of the act, full stop. The question whether department is an industry has to be decided against the management for want of evidence, full stop. The onus was on the department to prove that the workman worked only 180 days and not completed 240 days in the preceding 12 calendar months from the date of alleged termination, full stop. Since no records were produced by the department, the claim has to be accepted, full stop. In the writ petition before the High Court, it was categorically urged by the appellant that no appointment order was produced, full stop.